What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about why cyber insurance is important for every small business owner. My name is Jonathan Lugo with Veritas Risk Management, and as I'm out and about talking to the small business owners in our area, a lot of them have come to me with the question saying, why is cyber insurance important for me? That's the big companies out there that we hear about in the news, the big data breaches, the ones that make it household name companies. And the small business owners in our area and across the country sort of have the idea that they're going to fly under the radar, that nobody's going to try to hack them, and that they're not going to be breached. But when we look at the data and the numbers over the past few years, we see that the cyber crime industry has really been evolving to where 15 years ago, cyber crime organizations would breach a large company, hack into their data, and sell that for large amounts of money, and it'd be worth it, whereas a small business wouldn't be worthwhile to them because they have a smaller amount of data. But today, with the way that the cyber crime is evolving, it's more profitable for them to hack into small businesses that they can monetize immediately, as well as large companies, by using ransomware and other tactics to basically lock down your data where you can't access it, and you have to pay them to be able to access it for your business operations, not necessarily for them selling the data. And so no matter what the size is, they're able to demand that ransomware, get their money, monetize this operation with it just being a small business. Secondly, also those small businesses, because they're trying to fly under the radar, they're trying to forget about that cyber world and the cyber attacks in some way. They're going to be those that are less capable to deal with those attacks. They're going to be those that don't have the systems in place to protect themselves. And so small businesses are actually increasingly a target in recent years. And so some of the companies that we work with, Coalition being one of those, I'll link to this article here. It mentions that smaller businesses are a target, and from their client base that they studied over the years, they saw a 57% increase in claims frequency with organizations less than 250 employees. So that 57% increase in the past year or so for small businesses in cyber. So this is clearly not just something for large organizations. This is something that affects the everyday business owner, small business owner in America. So if you want to learn more about cyber crime, cyber insurance, how to protect yourself from this liability, go ahead and give me a call. My number is 423-777-6684. And my email is jonathan@veritasrm.com. I'd love to sit down with you, chat about your business, your risks, some of your fears, and talk about how that relates to the cybercrime industry.